Hello, hi, good morning. In the last class that we have discussed some of the problems from 2.4 and also some more problems are there. In that, one of the important problem is fifth question. This is very important and also a little bit typical. You have to go through at least that one or two times. Then only that can be understand, and also you have to be very careful in this. See here, if the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial g of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus k, then the remainder is x plus a. Find the value of a. This problem is depend upon that division algorithm. Already you know that p of x is equal to g of x into p of x plus r of x, where he gave that remainder is the x plus a. First only we have to subtract this remainder from the polynomial, then the remaining part is exactly divided by gx. That means remainder will become 0. So on the base of that concept, we are dividing it, simplify it. Now p of x, x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10x minus x minus a. That means here we are subtracting remainder. What is the remainder there? X plus a is the remainder. X plus a we are subtracted, that will become as a minus x minus a. So in the simplification, x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x minus x minus 26x plus 10 minus a. Now this is divided by g of x, 3x square minus 2x plus k. Now we are coming to that actual division. X to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 26x plus 10 minus a divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Here that x square is there, here that x to the power of 4. In the division we have to cancel the first term compulsory. To get that x to the power of 4, we have to multiply this by the x square. So x square into x square, x to the power of 4, x square into minus 2x cube, x square into plus k, that is plus kx square. In the subtraction, should we change the symbols? Minus plus minus, it is cancelled. Minus 6x cube plus 2x cube is equal to minus 4x cube plus 16x square minus kx square. Take that x square is the common, 16 minus k will be get minus 26x. Now here what you got? Minus 4x cube. Here that x square is there. So x square we have to multiply by with the minus 4x to get that minus 4x cube. 4x minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus 4x into minus 2x plus 8x square and minus 4x into plus k plus 4kx. In the subtraction, we are changing the symbols here, plus minus plus. Then 4x cube and 4x cube cancel, plus 16 minus k minus 8x square. That means 16 minus 8 is the 8 minus k x square minus 26 minus 4, that we are taken minus is the common, 26 minus 4k x plus 10 minus a. This full part we have to take at a time because that is only the constant. Now how many times will goes here? Here the x square is there, here 8 minus k x square is there. So you have to take that 8 minus k x square. 8 minus k x square minus 8 minus k into minus 2x, that is a 16 minus 2k x plus 8 minus k into k, 8 minus k into k, that is 8k minus k square. Now we have to subtract. In the subtraction, symbols will be changed, minus plus minus. This is cancelled here. Here minus 26 minus 26 minus 4k is there. Split out this and simplify. Minus 26 plus 4k minus 16 plus 2k, that will be gives minus 10 plus 2k x. Then 10 minus a minus 8k and minus k square. That you can write here 10 minus a minus 8k minus of minus plus k square. So here you got the remainder is how much? Minus 10 plus 2k x plus 10 minus a minus 8k plus k square. These two terms are the remainder, but as per that our division algorithm, the remainder must be 0. So each of these terms should be equate with the 0. Then minus 10 plus 2k is equal to 0. Then minus 10 is equal to 2k. 2k we have sent other side. Minus minus cancel. 10 is equal to k. K is equal to 10 by 2. That is the 5. And this k is equal to 5 you have to substitute in the other term. What is the other term here? 10 minus a plus 8k plus k square. In that substitute that 5 in the place of k. 10 minus a minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square 25. Then 10 minus a minus 40 plus 25, that is 35 minus 40 minus a is equal 0. Then minus 5 minus a is equal 0, minus 5 is equal, minus 5 will be go to other side, that will become as a plus a. Therefore a is equal to minus 5 you got. So here a is equal to 2 values you got, that is a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 and k is equal to plus 5. So k is equal to 5 and a is equal to how much? Minus 5. These two values. What is that? A is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 5. These are the two values he is asking to find. Okay? But he is asking to find out only that a is equal to. First we have to find the k only, then only we are able to substitute in that. Otherwise we cannot find out that a. So we are calculated k value also here. Okay? In the examination sometimes he will ask that you to find out the value of the k and also the a. So the question will be the different by the twisting manner. So you don't get disturbed and don't get a confusion. Okay? This is the problem from this, and you have to go through it for a little while. Just you have to scroll that and you have to hear in a proper way. Just for half minute you have to go through that. Okay? Should I go to the done problem? Yes. Now, some more problems that we are going to do which are depends upon this concept. That concept means the concepts what you learned from this exercise. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 6. Let's see again. X to the power of, yes. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 6. If the two of its zeros are zeros, alpha is equal to root 2 and beta is equal to minus root 2. Asking us to find the another root. Another root means since it has a cubic polynomial, will be have only that one more 0. Yes. See here. alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 plus minus root 2 is equal to 0. Alpha beta is equal to root 2 into minus root 2 is equal to how much? Minus 2. With the help of this, we have to frame the quadratic polynomial, that is p of x, g of x is equal to x square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros, that is equal to x square minus 2 you got. Divide this polynomial p of x by g of x, will be get that another quotient. For that you can find the zeros. Now x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 6 divided by x square minus 2. How many times will goes? Only x times. X into x square, x cube, x into minus 2x minus 2x. We have to write that x under the x term only. Minus plus cancel and cancel. Now 3x square minus 6. How many times will goes? Plus 3 times. 3x square minus 6 minus plus 0 is the remainder. So how much you got the quotient here? X plus 3. To find out the 0, what we have to do? Therefore the 0 means x plus 3 is equal 0, x is equal to minus 3. Therefore the third 0 is the minus 3. All the zeros are root 2, minus root 2 and minus 3. These are the 3 zeros. It is also depend upon division algorithm. Okay. Now we can take that it is only the cubic polynomial, but now we can take that biquadratic polynomial and taking the same 2 zeros. We can find out that other 2 zeros. P of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. Please check it again. 2x to the power of 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. If its zeros are, its zeros, alpha is equal to root 2 and beta is equal to minus root 2. Asking us to find the other zeros. Might be are understood now. Before that, we have taken only the cubic polynomial and he gave the 2 zeros and we calculate another, means only 1 zero we calculated. Now here in this polynomial, it's a biquadratic, that means the fourth power. It will be have the 4 zeros, but whereas he gave only the 2 zeros. That means we have to find that another 2 zeros. Now here, sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 plus minus root 2 is equal to 0. And product of zeros is equal to alpha beta is equal to root 2 into minus root 2 is equal to minus 2. Now you can frame the quadratic polynomial just like the before problem. Now g of x is equal to how much? X square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros minus 2 is equal to x square minus 2. Now given that biquadratic polynomial, we have to divide by this. Now 2x to the power of 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. See again, check that, because while you are copying that many times you will get a mistake in the symbols. That is 2x to the power of 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. It is compulsory to test or to check that again, that while you are copying this, if there is any symbol is around, that is a problem to you, unnecessarily wasting of the time. Now divided by x square minus 2. How many times it has to go? Now 2x square. 2x square into x square, 2x to the power of 4. 2x square minus 2 into minus 2. How much? 2 to the minus 2x square into 2. How much? 2x square into 2. 4x square minus 4x square. Now minus plus, this is cancel. 7x cube minus 15x square minus 14x. Here the 7x cube is there, here that x square is there. How many times it will goes? 7x, that is plus 7x. 7x cube minus 7x into 2 minus 14x minus plus cancel. What is left over here? Minus 15x square plus 30 minus 15 times minus 15x square plus 30 plus minus cancel 0. That means you got it. How much? Quadratic polynomial 2x square plus 7x minus 15. For that we have to take the factors. Now here 2x square plus 7x minus 15. By the splitting of middle term, 2x square plus 10x minus 3x minus 15. 2x is the common, x plus 5 minus 3 is the common, x plus 5. 2x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now we have to find the zeros. Therefore 2x minus 3 is equal 0, x is equal to 3 by 2, x plus 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 5. Therefore other two zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 5. That means all the zeros means all the zeros, root 2 minus root 2, 3 by 2 minus 5. These are all the four zeros. Okay. So we have covered that all the concepts from these polynomials, 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises, all completed. I hope that we can completing, and we are closing this chapter by today. And tomorrow we are going to take some of the problems from RD, or some problems depend upon this. And after tomorrow we are going to start that new chapter. Okay. Goodbye. Good luck.